Out on the High Peak Trail. Been a few miles this afternoon. Not as busy as I thought it would be. It's a lovely trail. I got on at the beginning. It's a little pulling by near Money Ash. And now it's a cycle all the way down. I think I'll stop and have a cup of tea at Minninglow car park. You see, it's an old railway line. I don't know how long it's been out of action, but they've turned it into a really good trail. Lights on. Hi, you alright? I can see Minninglow in the distance now. There's the hill in the distance over there with the trees on top and then the larger trees in the centre. But for now, I'm just coming up to across the A615. It's a busy road between Ashbourne and Bakewell. And the cars absolutely tram along here, so I've got to be careful. Right, safely across the road. Now, on we go to Minninglow. Let's go. Nice and cool under the trees. Stop and have a cup of tea, I think. Or I might just carry on. I don't know yet. God, it's absolutely beautiful up here. The grass is so green. It's really nice. There's not many people about. I'm just passing the big quarry now. See if I can turn the camera around. See the quarry. Probably didn't see it. I'm going for about 10 miles now, so I'll do a few more and then I'll head back. I'm wanting to do 40 kilometres today. Just ease myself back onto the bike. Now, time for a brew. Little mini Trangier. Make myself a nice cup of tea, have a little snack, then crack on. I don't know where this place is, I don't know what it's called, but there was a table, so I thought I'd sit down. We came from that the other way and we're going to carry on heading down there. Well, me. I'm going to carry on heading down there for a little bit. Maybe get down to Harbour Rocks. It's Harbour Rocks. This is my turnaround point, but I think I'm going to go a little bit further. I think it's an old lead mine or something.